Ndeto Mulamin Koitality, Gam Veg Poultry Farm and Mobile Restaurant and Hatchery Farm Manager. Na farm be located at Abuko, Ngamra, not West Coast region. Gam Veg Poultry Farm and Mobile Restaurant, nga start in poultry farm lela to produce 2,000 layers. That 2,000 layers ni nga that ni walla, and then producing some eggs and selling to the local markets, communities, and in hotels. From there, nata dum boilers to. That boilers not 5,000 5,000 boilers dundi. No fananka distribute no customers also to. Ngana business of start wala nyama. Gam Veg Poultry Farm and Mobile Restaurant initially at a moon poultry farm that whereby processing selling of eggs in Kawaleke and the processing. Now the business evolved that Gam Veg Poultry trolleys all that. That trolleys, what we do in Kamuneke, I have different trolleys sort of from different locations, from Carnifin Hospital, Birikama, you have University, UTG, and Serakunda Hospital. What we do is value addition. That value addition, we sell the eggs we produce from the farm is what Kamun Wafi to the trolleys, which we add value to what we produce locally. And then we'll be selling omelets, egg pie, chicken pie. Now the business evolved through the COVID-19 period, the feed prices increases. Now what I am requesting here from that point to strategize. It's a COVID period or what on food prices ida selta bagasol da selta. Then natamuneke we improvise to create egg pie. That egg pie we have more demand from the university students and hospitals, patients from Kabo Carnifin Hospital auto. Then natajeko I have to change the business strategy. Well, business what I'm doing for falling. Not into dual purpose. So currently the business business was the dual purpose strategy. Dual purpose is for both egg and meat purpose. Both 6 kilo and 6 subo. So nkawa Kenya de pour sustainability soto and resilient to the environment. Well, dual purpose they are more adaptable to the environment. Comme itole fana sabadita na climate wala alhawala kandoto. So nata muneke data incubator sang of 500 capacity. That 500 capacity ninga parents to call dunina farm kilo la nga half samba to the trolley, the other half nga incubate. When I incubate nka chiksol wafi. So nka chiksol wafi from combo up to jarajang. Na mbe minyin kakang for giraffe la grand ninto to create a bigger capacity of incubator of 4,000 capacity egg hatchery aning cold room morning. Mi yalon ko mbakala na processing facility kono to do hatchery ke wala ka sisering wafi at the same time ka chiksol introduce na farm to ke 3 months ni process ni package and then ni distribute to the markets. So nyinem Gam Veg la poultry farm and hatchery la plano nyinti. Merchant grant be minin ka kan giraffe is $600,000 is $600,000 in kono be incubator sana wolto anin ko rumo anin impossibly ni boholo sekeno je nga boholo fa ka kono, but it will gear up to incubator anin ko room. This will allow for me to establish and produce in large scale. Nyine ba nga large scale production okay minsan ko na chiksol I can supply the whole country. Nang approach ko tata nyama 2 main target area. Schools all most of them are interested in poultry because still na customers all, most of them jama be diningol school diningol any local community kafol any poultry farmers all. Many algo kanai ka day old chicks all sambulu then yeta yable la farm to. In 3 months karisaba de ibele coxol be wafilale because it can weight sort of 5 kilogram. In 6 months the hens will lay egg just like layers on a daily basis, which they can use for egg consumption. So currently job creation okay of already 12 staff na employ muni along from the trolley la carola, hatchery la carola, and poultry farm la carola, at a total of 12 staffs. So employment more create already. So to expand, it will also introduce young Gambians into poultry. Kajeko, we can produce breeds that are sustainable Gambia Konaja, and we can also have the parent stock Gambia Konaja. So we don't need to go to Senegal, parent stock Ninije. and which the climate is changing. Ibayla ko climate changing environment ni sisel they are adaptable, ni dual purpose, they are very adaptable to the climate. So ibayla ko obe yuruwana la banko kanne anda be seno fana la bunda kafulale sise poultry la karola. Ni project ko ning atako project ko ni fonta with $600,000 mbe incubator sana of 4,000 capacity. Wakurumo sang of 400 capacity chicken capacity. Muyalon ko abe atoni production output ning kafulale. Na production output ning kafu ibayel ko be kala sustainability leti. Nse chicksols wafino within the Gambia. At the same time, nse batsol introduce ke process ke wafi to the Gambia to the public. At the same time, abe employment fana create for the young Gambians muyalon ko they want to start their own hatchery or they want to do distribution in the poultry sector in terms of chicks distribution and marketing. So ibayel ko fana be kala advantage leti ka employment create fawande isinano e chicksol sante ya ira ya distribute birin suma fo basse fo farafenye ibayel ko mu advantage leti dan kata Senegal wala ka chicksol import nang in the Gambia. So ibayel ko nyimbe kala la far quality mi yalon kon tabe damenteng abe mbolla be positiono minto ka position in kafu kaji ko expansion nata because ni expansion nata mol ka benefit no wolto an ngajele ko advantage min be dual purpose brito on blue hollandaise wala sembo wata in highline white stick and highline brown sol min yalon ko they do high consumption of feed at the same time imang adaptable to our hot environment but not withstanding baby poultry sector ni kono but it dual purpose be choice di la mollale in the area of poultry production. Mbe nyim project ko manager be konton la especially giraffe munya initiative under the Ministry of Agriculture. Nyimum project ko to mi yalon ko abe yurwa nat la Gambia kono abe seno fana bunda yurwan la Gambia kono abadna fana molbe sila be mirakela ka kafundire ke min se importation otala pour Gambia fana e wuli ye ko ke kaje ko ye seno bunda yurwandi.